Electric pool heaters are popular for their efficiency and ease of use. They provide consistent warmth, making swimming more enjoyable. These heaters are perfect for maintaining a comfortable pool temperature. They are eco-friendly and often cost-effective, saving you money on energy bills. Product number 1. NewPole Inflatable Bed Pump. Electric air pump, 100 gallons per minute for air mattress beds and inflatable swimming pools. Effortlessly inflate your air mattress or swimming pool with the NewPole Inflatable Bed Pump. Fast and efficient, this electric air pump delivers 100 gallons per minute, ensuring quick setup. Compatible with AC 110 to 240 volts and DC 12 volts, it offers versatile use at home or outdoors. Perfect for inflatable swimming rings or beds, making your experience smooth and hassle-free. Lightweight and easy to carry, ideal for travel or home use. Advantages: quickly inflates air mattresses and swimming pools with ease. Saves time and energy with its powerful 100-gallon per minute capacity. Suitable for both home and car use with AC/DC compatibility. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Simple operation ensures anyone can use it without trouble. Product number 2. New Norpro Instant Immersion Heater Coffee, Tea, Soup Electric Water Portable Reheater. Discover the convenience of the new Norpro Instant Immersion Heater, perfect for quickly heating coffee, tea, or soup. This portable reheater is ideal for travel, camping, or office use. Just plug it in and enjoy hot beverages anytime, anywhere. Compact design means it fits easily in a bag or drawer. Experience the ease of instant heating with this handy device. Advantages: heat beverages quickly with this portable immersion heater, handy and efficient. Compact design makes it perfect for travel, easy to carry. Safe to use with automatic shutoff feature, peace of mind. Versatile tool for heating coffee, tea, or soup, multi-purpose use. Saves time and energy with rapid heating, convenient for busy days. Product number 3. Hayward HP 21404T Heat Pro In-Ground 140,000 BTU Heat Pump. Experience reliable warmth with the Hayward HP 21404T Heat Pro Heat Pump. Its 140,000 BTU capacity efficiently heats large pools. Designed for in-ground installations, it ensures consistent and even heating. Enjoy quiet operation, perfect for peaceful poolside relaxation. Durable construction withstands harsh weather, promising long-lasting performance. Ideal for maintaining a comfortable swimming environment year-round. Advantages: powerful heating capacity ensures a warm pool all year round. Energy-efficient design reduces electricity costs significantly. Quiet operation allows peaceful poolside relaxation. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Easy installation minimizes setup time and effort. Product number 4. New Air 5600W Portable Electric Garage Heater. Heats up to 600 square feet. Stay warm and cozy with the New Air 5600W Portable Electric Garage Heater. It efficiently heats spaces up to 600 square feet. Easily move it around with the 6-foot cord wrap and sturdy carrying handle. Perfect for use in a garage, bedroom, dorm, or office. Enjoy a comfortable environment no matter where you are. Advantages: efficient heating solution. The New Air 5600W heater warms up to 600 square feet quickly. Perfect for garages, bedrooms, dorms, and offices. Save time and energy. Portable and convenient. Features a 6-foot cord wrap for easy storage. The carrying handle makes it simple to move around. Use it wherever needed. Safe and reliable. Built with safety in mind. Offers consistent and secure heating. Trustworthy for home and workspaces. User-friendly design. Product number 5. Wills Wi-Fi Pool Pump Controller. Heavy-duty 40A 120 to 277 VAC 2 HP wireless timer for pool and water heater. Simplify pool maintenance with the DWin-Wills Wi-Fi pool pump controller. This heavy-duty device supports up to 40A and 2 HP. Easily control your pool and water heater from anywhere. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Smart Life for hands-free operation. ETL listed for safety and reliability. Advantages: control pool pump remotely with Wi-Fi connectivity. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. Heavy-duty 40A capacity handles high power loads. Schedule operations with the Smart Life app.